Hi guys, welcome back with my channel. On this video, I would like to show you how to show button size and areas on Google Adsense. Now, on my Google Adsense, it doesn't show button size and button areas. I cannot add my website here or add my blog on connecting with my Google Adsense on a blog. I will to show you how to fix it. Okay, now let's start do it all together. First, click on box and then type google.com/adsense/start and next enter. Next, click get start. Select your AdSense accounts. And next, click continue. In this box, they want you to add your website, but if you don't have your website, check I don't have a site. Next, check on this button. And next, click on Start using AdSense. Now my AdSense is updated. Buttons, areas and button size will show on my AdSense. After you watching this video, I think that I can help you for fixing on your problems. And see you next video.